Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by giving the speaker power and entering FM mode. First, charge the battery to at least 50% or plug in so the search won't stop. Press mode until the display or voice says FM. This puts the unit into radio tuning mode. Then extend any external antenna or use the connected aux/USB cable as a substitute. This improves reception significantly. Once done, make sure the display shows a frequency, and you're ready to search for stations. You now scan for usable stations. Press Seek or Scan to let the speaker auto-search. It will pause on strong signals so you can hear content. If the auto result is noisy, use the manual +/- buttons or the tuning dial to fine-tune the frequency for clearer audio, because slight adjustments reduce static. After you find a clear station, hold the presets button or follow the manual to save it to a preset so you can jump back quickly later. This makes future use faster. Finish by optimizing sound and placement. Set the volume and any EQ settings for comfortable listening, and then slowly move the speaker or antenna toward a window or higher spot to reduce building's interference. Small changes often yield big reception gains. If stations are missing or only static appears, rescan, toggle FM mode off and on, or perform a factory reset per the manual. This clears tuning errors. If nothing works, try a different antenna or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.